What's going on, Amazonians? So this is what the leather black lamp looks like out of the box. I decided to go with the jet black color. I really like black, so that's why I decided to go with this one. I gotta say, the quality on this is like, it's not cheap, and it probably comes from China, like everything else. So I know there's a lot of skepticism about that, but I gotta say it's a little heavy for its function, and usually things that are heavy are usually made out of good material. So this definitely is good material, and when I touch it on here, it definitely is leather, which I like. But this is just the stand itself, as you can tell in the description. Right here is the actual cover, which is white. I was drawing back, and maybe I should have read more closely, but there's no light bulb. That's okay, because I ordered this one too. I was gonna replace the light bulb, had it come with it, with the Philips Hughes. No, it's not Philips Hughes, wow. With the LG, which works with Alexa. So just to give you guys an idea, which came separately. It came in the same box, but it's just completely separate from this original purchase. So here you have it. This is again the leather table lamp. The color again is jet black. And here's the cover. And there's no light bulb. That's on you. All right.